Want to have an unforgettable Valentine's Day without breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to delve into the art of planning a budget-friendly Valentine's Day that's chock full of meaningful moments. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how much thought you put into making the day special. So don't fret about splurging on extravagant gifts or fancy dinners. Stay tuned to learn how you can make this Valentine's Day unforgettable without emptying your pockets. First step, start by setting a budget. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how much love you show. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to have a budget-friendly Valentine's Day that will be unforgettable. First things first, sit down and decide on a budget. This is the cornerstone of your plan. Whether it's £20 or $200, it's essential to know what you're working with. Next, let's brainstorm some thoughtful and affordable gift ideas. Perhaps you could craft a homemade card with a heartfelt message, or maybe compile a playlist of songs that hold special meaning for you both. You could even create a scrapbook of your favorite memories together. The key here is to put thought into your gift, not money. Once you've got your gifts sorted, let's move on to planning a romantic meal. Restaurants can be pricey and booked up on Valentine's Day, so why not cook a meal at home? Choose a recipe that you both love, or maybe one that you've been wanting to try. Set the table, light some candles, and voila, you have a cozy, romantic dinner for two. But Valentine's Day isn't just about gifts and food, it's about spending quality time together. So let's think about some free or low-cost activities you can enjoy. Perhaps you could go for a walk in your local park, watch a movie at home, or even have a game night. If you're more adventurous, why not plan a mini road trip to a nearby town or city? The options are endless, and the most important thing is that you're enjoying each other's company. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to planning a memorable, budget-friendly Valentine's Day. It's all about being thoughtful, creative, and putting your heart into it. After all, it's not the price tag that matters, but the love and effort you put into making the day special. With a little creativity and planning, you can have a memorable Valentine's Day that won't break the bank. So to wrap up, remember these key points. Plan your Valentine's Day with mindfulness and creativity, favoring experiences over expensive gifts. Emphasize on spending quality time with your loved one, expressing your love and appreciation, not your wallet's weight. Homemade meals, thoughtful gestures, and shared activities can make your day truly unforgettable, proving that love isn't measured in pounds sterling. With these tips in mind, you're ready to plan an unforgettable, budget-friendly Valentine's Day. Happy planning!